a few best practices for holiday groups. So a little different than a group tour. That again, the the components you're pulling together to fulfill this solution for the problem the corporate group has is going to be different than just running a regular tour. And it may, in some cases, actually require less of your time than it would for another experience. Because we know that some of the things with corporate, we don't want to overwhelm them and treat it like a tour where we feel the need to fill every moment with a script or something, or a piece of history or anything else. Is sometimes we actually just need to give them time to speak with each other. It's meant to be a bonding experience. They're meant to connect with each other. So let's make sure when you're planning out those group experiences that you have some of that time inside there. We also know that you're going to want to be ready to handle additional alcohol requests. Let's just know how that plays on. Are they buying a package of alcohol for X amount? Are they getting Y number of drinks included? And if they want more, it's $5 per drink. Do they just buy that stuff themselves? Whatever it is, just be ready with those requests, especially when we talk about holiday parties. We love the idea of capturing everybody's email address using digital guidebooks. So if we get a corporate group to book, it's usually only one person coordinating that booking for the entire group, and we miss out on the opportunity to further market to everyone on that group. So digital guidebooks give you the chance to offer that digital guidebook at the beginning of the experience. The person will have to fill in their email address on there, and then from there you can put them into an automation and upsell all the people who came on the tour to then have another experience later. Put them into an automation. Let's hit them up in 3 months and say, hey, here's a coupon for your group of 8 to come on out. Book your next group with us. Get some friends together. Hey, you've got family in town. Great. Send them our way. Put your family in our great experience. Whatever it is, let's make sure we have a plan in place of here's how we're going to capture that email address, and here's how we're going to turn that email into another sale after they've come in the door. Last thing here is just looking for some opportunities to upsell. So when we're offering out these corporate packages, what else can we include? What I'd love to see you have are actually 3 tiers of pricing. I'd love to see you have a small level. I'd love to see you have a medium level. And then I want to see an extra large level. I want to see the $10,000 package that we don't expect a lot of people to buy. But man, does it make the $5,000 package look so much better when it's next to that $10,000 one. And it's a psychological principle known as price anchoring. And the idea is that with experiences, it's so open. No one knows what they're supposed to pay for your experience. It's hard to put it against something else to say this is what it's worth. But when we use price anchoring, when we give a small, medium, and an extra large option, they have an anchor. They have a way to measure this is what I want, and this is the outcome I want to get from this and what I'm comfortable spending. So if you're not offering this out in 3 levels and putting in some of those upsells in there, look at working through some pricing and seeing if you can break those things down into levels.